poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Queen Nadi and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my not butterfly. I'm already tripping. My soft locks. I always confuse the two for some reason, but no. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my soft locks. Now this is the hair I'm using along with the other materials. You can find it at the beauty supply store or choose to order it online, whatever is convenient for you. Now, before I begin with this video, I want to apologize for any background noises you may hear. I do live in my parents' house, and I have like 4 siblings, and it gets loud sometimes. Not even sometimes, all the times. Anyways, right now, all I'm doing is using the Shine and Jam gel to part my hair and prep my hair for this hairstyle. I am starting with some damp/wet hair because I had to detangle it because I had a twist out prior to this, and it was really like tangled up and dry, and that just wasn't it, so I had to detangle it. So all I'm doing to prep my hair is really just parting it and then braiding the base of my hair and then twisting it all to the end. Now I don't know about you, but I don't have eyes in the back of my head, so I decided to use 2 mirrors to part my hair. Some people like to FaceTime themselves on their, Apple devices and do it that way, or use a TV and do it that way. But I decided to use a mirror because I have a lot of them at my disposal and I don't have that many Apple products yet. So yeah, just because I'm using the mirror to see the back of my head, just because I can see the back of my head doesn't mean my parts are going to be, all clean and all even. They're not, because some of them are not even, like that row right there is uneven, and some of them are going to be crooked, but it's okay because at the end of the day, I'm going to look cute. Now, for some reason, I was really struggling to part my hair at this point right here. I was doing so good till I got to this row. I was really about to risk it all. Look at me. The struggle was real, but it's okay because I thugged it out. I was patient. Well, yeah, I was patient and I got it done, and that's all that matters. That's what you have to remember. If you're doing your hair or you're doing somebody else's hair, you have to be really patient and know that, you got to get it done. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is my hair after I've completely, twisted it, braided it, whatever you want to call it, after I basically completely prepped it for the oh shoot, I forgot what I was about to say. After I've completely prepped it for the soft locks, and me being the smart person I am, I decided to count literally every strand of twist on my hair to ensure that I have enough hair for this hairstyle. Because I don't know about you, but I absolutely hate running out of hair while I'm doing my hair. So y'all, I'm gonna try to explain this to the best of my I'm gonna try to explain this the best way possible, so just bear with me. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just try to look and hopefully it makes sense, because yeah, it might get complicated, but I hope it doesn't, because sometimes I tend to overcomplicate things by accident. But anyway, so to do the lock, all I'm doing is taking the curly hair, separating it in half as you just saw, and then I'm going to pull a strand of the twist out, take my crochet pin, and I'm going to take a lock, and I'm going to put the crochet pin in it, and I'm going to pull my natural hair through it. I'm moving a little too fast, but just look at what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take the crochet pin and literally just pull my hair through the lock, like so. So after I've pulled it, this is what you want. After I've pulled it, I'm going to pull the lock all the way to the base of my twist, or as close to the base as possible. So after I do that, I'm going to take the curly hair and begin wrapping. Now I wrap at least 5 to 7 times around the base just so it's secure, and I don't really wrap it too much because I don't want it too tight, and if I do wrap it too much, it sticks out, and I don't like that. So I just wrap it 5 to 7 times, and then I just wrap the rest of my hair. Now, I decided to separate the twisty hair because, first off, my head is big, and second off, I didn't want to use like a whole strand of twisty hair because that would mean that it would be a lot of hair in my head, and I don't want to have a big head and a lot of hair, and no, that's just too much weight for my little body to carry. So I decided to separate it. Plus, I didn't want the locks too big, so I separated the hair. Now, as I'm twisting the hair around the lock, I add hair when it's necessary. I usually add the hair at the beginning so I can try to cover up my natural hair because it's a protective style and the goal is to cover up my natural hair. And I also add hair at the end when the twisty hair is running out, just like so. Now, I do apologize if my voiceover isn't like making sense, but I hope the visual does make sense because in my opinion, I think I did a really good job at, showing what I'm talking about. So when I get to the end of wrapping the twisty hair on the lock, I like to tie it to like really make it secure and make sure that it doesn't unravel, because this is my first time ever doing this hairstyle. So I don't really know if the hair unravels or comes undone. I don't know, but I just want to do all this just to make sure it doesn't. So after I tie it, I like to wrap the hair like between my palms like you just saw. And that's basically all I do for every single strand of hair. Now, this is going to be another visual, so I'm not really going to explain the process again. I'm just going to let you guys watch it while I talk about something else because I love to talk. Anyways, this hairstyle took me like 7 hours to do, and I did have some help from my best friend Precious, so shout out to her because she's a real one. She came over and she helped me with the back of my hair, so that definitely facilitated the process for me, because if she didn't help, I promise you I would have been there longer than 7 hours. But yeah, so this is my birthday hair, y'all. I'm super happy it came out the way it came out because I ended up looking really cute. I probably said this earlier, I don't remember, but I'm going to show you a video and a picture at the end of the video of me on my birthday night and how the hair looks. The hair is waist length, just a little bit above my butt, so it's not too long and it's not too heavy, and I don't feel too much tension around my scalp with the method I use. So if you want to do some soft locks, I recommend doing this method, or you can do a different method. It's totally up to you, but if you do want to do this method, just watch my video and do it, and let me know, because I'll be super happy if somebody uses my method. Now, I'm definitely gonna do this hairstyle again in the future, and I'm gonna implement everything that I've done here then. The only thing I would change is try to make sure that my hair is dry, so it kind of looks a little bit neater. But here it looks really natural, which is fine with me. This is my first time doing it. I think I did an amazing job, and I really like how it came out. So yeah, this is the hair finishing product. Like I said, it's literally around my butt, above my butt, and yeah. So I'm going to show you guys a photo and video of me literally in a couple seconds, and boom, look at me. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.